Hello class, have you ever thought how airplane flies? In this video, we will briefly explain how it works due to Bernoulli's effect. We hope this video will be informative and you will learn a lot. As we have learned in this class, we can use the force diagrams approach to analyze objects, just like an airplane. There are four fundamental forces acting on an airplane. The first force is the force of gravity due to its mass. The second force is the force of drag due to air resistance on the plane. The third force is the force of thrust, that is the force of airplane's turbine pushing on the air. And the last force is the force of lift that we are going to examine in detail during this video. When airplane flies, there is a low pressure at the top of the wing and higher pressure at the bottom. This difference in pressure creates a net force up. We know that pressure equals the force over area. When there is a higher pressure P prime, force has to be bigger, or F prime, because area does not change. Since F prime is greater than F, there is a net force up. If we look at the wing from the cross section, we will see that as airplane flies, there are more air molecules at the bottom than at the top because of pressure difference, and more air molecules colliding to the bottom of the wing than at the top. The difference in collision amounts because of pressure creates the lift force. Now you might ask yourselves, why is there a pressure difference on the wing? This is because top of the wing is longer than the bottom. This forces the air on the top to move a longer distance. This longer distance on the top forces the top air to move faster to meet the air at the bottom. Putting all this into Bernoulli's equation, this forces the pressure to change accordingly, since it's the only variable that can change to yield the same constant. In conclusion, the Bernoulli pressure effect on the wing causes a net force up called the lift force, so planes can fly.